Welcome back for some more drawing instructions. We're going to talk about inductive versus deductive drawing. These are terms that I actually stole from logic and reasoning, but I think we can apply them to drawing. So you can construct images with just some very generic or general marks, some of those being dots of all kinds and sizes and shapes and varieties. And we can also use lines of different thicknesses and directions and qualities. One of the other things you will see is organic shapes or circles. So any kind of closed form that has an inside and an outside and a continuous line. And you'll see all variety of those, elongated and bent and warped and stretched. And then triangles are another form of line you'll see. So please make all these different marks on a sketchbook page several times and just play with them, just have some fun. And of course you will also see squares, four-sided things. And squares is kind of a generic term. They could be rectangles that are long or short or skewed in different directions. They get wider or taller or shorter. So those are some of the general shapes that you'll see. You might want to look more into that in a book called How to Think Like Leonardo da Vinci. It's kind of a fun book to utilize and do some of their drawing things in there. I also noticed there was numbers associated with those shapes. 0 for dots, lines were 1, there's an inside and outside of a circle, 3 lines for a triangle, and 4 lines for a square. So let's take a look at how we might be able to use these to build some images. I'm going to use scissors, but you could pretty much use any kind of object you wanted. Let's talk first about how we've been drawing in the past. This is an inductive drawing. So you guys have been drawing from detail to detail to detail to create an overall image. So I'm starting on the back of those scissors, I'm getting that can opener looking thing. I'm getting the different edges on the handles, getting the inside of the handle, and I'm just building it up one detail to the next detail to the next detail. And that's really great for lots of drawing. It makes you pay attention to details. But what I want you to start thinking about is how to draw deductively, and that is going from very general. So I have a circle organic shape, a triangular shape, a square shape a triangle shape. I got a round shape, a little square shape, and a round shape. I'm going to go from those general shapes, and then I'm going to start to build my details on top of it. This will actually help you in lots of different digital programs, Illustrator being one of them, Blender being another one of them, and to really start to think about things in these general terms will help you as you render on a computer. You build up layers and details on top. So go ahead and pick an object and do an inductive drawing and a deductive drawing. Just compare and contrast those two methods. I like to do those in pencils, so have fun with that, good luck with that, and really get that idea down. Later on when you take a reasoning or a logic class, you'll hear these terms again, and you will have already applied them. So good luck with that, have some fun.